Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will in short be explaining what rotoscoping is and some ways you could possibly do it in Davinci Resolve 18.6. So let's get right into it. So to actually bring you up to speed, if you don't know what rotoscoping is a method for animation in which you pretty much, well, for lack of a better term, draw or rather trace objects in a video so you can animate over it, which then provides you with the ability to make animations that are better suited, or let's say fit better. No, that's not the right word. What I want to say is they look more lifelike. Like if you trace over a video, your animations will look like they are better animated, I guess. It's difficult to explain for me as a beginner. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. And one sad thing about Davinci Resolve is that it doesn't have a rotoscoping tool built into it. Even though, I mean, it's a free software, it's to be expected. However, it's still a shame that it doesn't have it. But one way that you could do that is to go into, I think, Fusion or Color, or one of these. I think it's in Fusion. Yeah, and then here you can try and screw around with all of these options. I have seen a tutorial where some guy has made several nodes in which they just trace pretty much trace the footage that's already going on in the background, where you can just add several nodes and then trace manually in several frames with changing the keyframes. So I can't really explain how to do it myself, since I am quite new to this program and to video editing as a whole. However, please feel free to check out any other tutorials online. And yeah, I'm sorry that I couldn't give you guys any more info. However, that would be it from me. Please stick with us for any more tutorials, and I'll see you guys in another video.